You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly. By the way, if you want to improve your English pronunciation, you found the right channel. Stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. Pronounced as pan, alright? Pan. It's an A sound, alright? It's not an E, not an O. Pan. It's not pon, it's not pen. Make sure you don't pronounce pen. The Americans might say a bit more as pan. Pan. Pan is the American pronunciation. Pan. British English pronunciation. Pan. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.